Hi, to activate or deactivate 5G on iPhone 16e, just go in Phone Settings, and of course make sure that SIM card is inserted in the phone, and then select this section Cellular. So now we need to go in Data Options, choose Voice and Data, and now we got three options: 5G Auto, 5G On, and LTE, which is 4G. So if you want to activate 5G, then choose either Auto or 5G On. Auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life, and 5G Always On uses 5G whenever it's available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. And if you wanna disable 5G, then select this last option, LTE. Go back and again, and turn on mobile data by tapping on the switcher. So now in the top right corner you see this icon LTE, but if you decide to enable 5G, then you will see here icon 5G. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.